Welcome to the in front of me UleFone Note 13P, and I'll show you how to enable or disable NFC on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap to more network settings. To hotspot and tethering section. After that, you'll see here the NFC switcher, and just to activate it, you should click here only once on the switcher, and after that you can use NFC on your smartphone. If you want to turn it off, you should click here once again on the switcher, and that's it. Also, we have the second way how we can do that. Just first you should open the notification panel shortcuts, and somewhere here you should find the NFC icon. Just to activate the NFC, you should click here once on this icon, and to turn it off, you should click on the icon once again, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.